Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This video will be part 14 of my SolidWorks mini vacuum cleaner project. Okay, in my previous video I have already mentioned to you that I will not show you how I will do the detailed drawing, for the front casing, and how I will do the dimensioning as well. It means the detailed drawing for the front casing. Okay, in this video I have already done the front casing, the orientation of the dimension, and also how I put the remove section and all this cut section here, and also I have a crop view for the key features. It's kind of similar like the rear casing. Alright, so I just make a shortcut of in this video. I've already done it. Okay, another thing to mention that when I do this remove section here, we need to put a center marks here. Alright, I already put the center marks for this radius 8.5, and okay, here if you look at the rear casing, I need to do same for this radius 9. I need to put the center marks. Okay, to do the center mark here under annotation we have center mark. If I select this curve, so by default the center mark is like this. If you look the setting on the left is use the document default, so I will uncheck it, and I will do the size is only 1, and I will uncheck the extended line. So I only have the center marks there, I don't have the extended line. Alright, same goes here. Here this one there we have a radius 8.5 for this one, so I will go for center mark. I select this one, then I will not use the document, I use 1 and uncheck the extended line, so I only have the center marks there. Alright, another thing I've already adjusted here, since in my previous video I did mention that, let me adjust it, it's aligned with the, since this is not remove section, actually this is a crop view section from the back view, it kind of like need to be aligned with this we have here this front view, so this one is a back view, kind of I need to make it align. Okay, I have edited the text here for this bottom note of this back view here. I need to put crop back view, so when people read the drawing, so then they will know that this is a crop back view and key features of this thing. Right, I have also put the bottom note here for the front casing detail drawing, crop back view features. Okay, another thing about this front casing, if you look at the title block, I have already edited the title block. The title is front casing, material is the same as rear casing, ABS, and also I put the drawing number 2, since the rear casing is drawing number 1, and the scale is 1:1. Same goes for the front casing, scale is 1:1. And if you look at this exploded view, and we have the rear casing, the BOM rear casing drawing number 1, and the front casing drawing number 2. Same goes for the BOM of the SMD drawing. I have already put the drawing number, alright, both for rear casing and also the front casing. Alright, one final thing in this video, I found out that I have to make some few adjustments. I found out that in my full SMD file, let me show you my full SMD file. If I off the front casing for a while, so this is my full SMD that I have already shown you in my earlier video. I found out that, as you can see, if I zoom in closer, my on off button kind of like interfere with this tactile switch of this PCB. Alright, it means that I have to do some minor adjustment here. I don't want it to be, we have kind of like intersect here. We don't want any parts to have any interference with the other part. So about the position of this on off button is okay, but it's about the position of the tactile switch need to be adjusted. Alright, so it means that here the setting on the left here under feature manager, the PCB. Okay, the last one that I do for PCB here, the coincident, it means that the front plane of the PCB mesh with the front plane of the rear casing. So I think this is wrong, so I need to delete it, this one. So it means I'm adjusting the position of my mate setting of my PCB. So I will do another mate setting. It means that, as you can see here, this is the cylindrical shape of the tactile switch. It must match with the cylindrical shape of this on off button. So I will add another new mate setting. Hold on. Okay, mate, and I will select this cylindrical surface of this tactile switch of the PCB must match with this cylindrical surface. Then it goes to concentric. Then I click OK. As you can see now, the position of my PCB is in line in terms of concentric with the on off button, and we don't have any interference there. Alright, everything it means that we don't have any interference inside this between this on off button and this PCB. Okay, I on back my front casing, and I save my file again. Okay, whatever changes that I've done here for the PCB in terms of positioning it in the full assembly, it will not affect the, if I show you the assembly drawing, actually it will not affect the assembly drawing, except the assembly drawing here. As you can see now, if I zoom in, we have the PCB still in position because I have made some minor adjustment in terms of mate setting between the positioning this on off button concentric with the cylindrical shape of this tactile switch of this PCB. Alright, it will not affect the exploded view since this is exploded view. Okay, and this is my rear casing and front casing. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I have shown you a little bit about the detailed drawing of this front casing. I hope by watching this video you can learn something from it and you can implement it to your mini vacuum cleaner project. Okay, inshallah I will see you in the next video. I will do the other detailed drawing of the other parts, but before that, please do appreciate my effort of doing this video by clicking like, subscribe and promote this video to your friends. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.